So, good morning everyone. Class 12, subject accountancy, chapter 8, company accounts. Example 19. A company invited application for 50,000 shares on 10 rupees each, 3 rupees on application, 3 rupees on allotment, first and final call, 4 rupees per share. So, application receive 1,10,000 share. Okay, and company issue only 50,000 equity shares. So three categories. First, to refuse allotment to applicants for 10,000 shares. Category second, to allot 50% to X who has applied for 20,000 shares. To allot in full to Y who has applied for 10,000 shares. And category fourth, to allot balance of available shares on pro rata basis among the other applicants and to utilize excess application money in part payment of allotment and final call. So first of all, we will discuss the working note, the statement showing of shares application money. Okay. So statement showing detail of shares application money. Statement showing shares application money. Okay, application money. So categories, column number first, category. Okay, next column is shares applied, shares applied. Column number third, shares allotted या allot. Okay, next column, application money received, application money received. Okay, first column category, second share apply, third share allot, column fourth application money received. Next column disposal of share application money received. Yeah, shares, share capital, share allotment, calls in advance, share capital, share allotment, share allotment. Next, calls in advance, and next column is refund, excess money refund. Okay, so next column is refund. So first category 10,000 shares, category first 10,000 shares apply, allotted nil यानी rejected. Okay, and category second 20,000 shares apply by X, allotted 10,000 shares. 20,000 shares apply by X and allotted shares is 10,000 shares. Category third 10,000 shares allotted fully, 10,000 shares allotted in full following manner, 10,000 allotted into 10,000. And next is pro rata basis, category fourth pro rata basis. Okay, so pro rata basis is 70,000 shares are applied. 70,000 shares are applied and 30,000 shares is allotted. So that is called balancing figure. Okay. So total share is apply column 1,10,000 share. 1,10,000 share apply and share allot by company 50,000 shares. Okay, clear? So application money received 3 rupees per share, so 30,000 rupees on category first. Category second, 20,000 shares into 3, 60,000 rupees, 3 rupees per share. Again, category third, 10,000 shares into 3, 30,000 rupees. And situation fourth, category fourth, on the pro rata basis, 70,000 into 3 equals to 2,10,000 rupees. Okay, so application money received on the basis of share applied by the shareholder. So in first column, share capital is nil, share allotment is nil, calls in advance is nil, and refund 30,000 rupees. Okay, category second, share capital on 10,000 shares 30,000, share capital on 10,000 shares 30,000, and allotment is again 30,000 rupees, 3 rupees per share. Category third, share capital again 30,000 rupees, 10,000 into 3 rupees per share. Category fourth, 30,000 into 3, 90,000. 30,000 shares allotted, okay, on the basis of pro rata. So 90,000 rupees on share capital. And next amount received on allotment, 30,000 into 3, 90,000 rupees. And calls in advance 30,000 rupees. Calls in advance 30,000 rupees. Okay, so total application money is 3,30,000. Total application money received 3,30,000, and share capital total column is 1,50,000. 1,50,000, and next column total is 1,20,000, and calls in advance 30,000, and refund is 30,000 rupees. So calls in advance 30,000 rupees and balance refund 30,000 rupees. Okay, clear? So we will pass the entry number first, bank account debit to equity share application account. Bank account debit to equity share application account. Again, table, category, share apply, share allot, application money received, share capital, share allotment, calls in advance, and refund. Okay, so write on entry number first, bank account debit to share application account. Bank account debit, bank account debit to equity share application account. So application money received totally 3,30,000 rupees. 3,30,000 rupees. Okay. So next entry is equity share allotment account debit. Equity share capital account 1,50,000. Bank account debit. Equity share allotment account 30,000 rupees. Okay. So write on